Have you ever felt like someone was looking down on you? Well, there's an English word for that.
You know that feeling when someone makes you feel totally unimportant, like you don't matter at all?
It's a really strong negative feeling, and in English, it has a specific name.
That word is contempt. It means a very deep feeling of disrespect.
Now, this word has two main uses, one for everyday feelings and another for a serious legal crime.
Let's use a story to make it super clear. Meet Rena. She's got a brilliant new idea.
She's really excited and tells her boss all about it, hoping he'll be impressed.
But the boss just scoffs at her. He doesn't even listen properly, just dismisses her idea completely.
That powerful disrespect Rena's boss showed her? Yep, that right there is contempt.
Okay, so let's check out how this word is used in a few real sentences.
Listen closely to this first example.
See, this is just like Rena's story. She felt contempt because of the bad behavior she saw.
Now for our second example. This time, it's about disrespecting a rule.
By ignoring the policy, he's showing everyone he thinks the rule is stupid and worthless.
All right, now for that second meaning. This one is super serious. It's about breaking the law.
Let's look at one last sentence, this one from a courtroom.
So here, contempt is a crime. The lawyer was actually punished for disrespecting the judge.
So to remember contempt, just think of these key points. It's all about that feeling of deep disrespect.
Okay, your turn. Can you think of a movie character who shows contempt? Thanks for watching.